Hi students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn some problems in mole concept. First finding a relative molecular mass, next finding percentage composition. Let us learn one by one. First, relative molecular mass. Let me clear you, what do you mean by relative molecular mass? Relative molecular mass means mass of the molecule. Mass means weight of the molecule. Example H2SO4. H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. So all atom has its mass number. Hydrogen is 1, sulfur is 32, oxygen is 16. So how to find the relative molecular mass? We have to multiply its number into the mass number. H2SO4. In this H2SO4, the number of hydrogen atom is 2. So you look at the nearby number. So H near 2 is there. So the number of hydrogen atom is 2. Sulfur is 1. Oxygen is 4. So O 4. 4 oxygen atom. So we have to multiply the number of atom into its mass number. So hydrogen number of atom is 2. So 2 into 1. 1 is the mass number. Plus, next sulfur. How many number of sulfur? 1. So 1 into its mass number, 32. Next, oxygen. Number of oxygen is 4. So 4 into 16. 16 is the mass number. Okay. So each and every atom we have to add. So 2 plus 32 plus 64. So the relative molecular mass of sulfuric acid is 98 AMU. AMU is atomic mass unit. Next, cane sugar. Cane sugar molecular formula is C12H22O11. So number of carbon atom is 12. Number of hydrogen is 22. Number of oxygen is 11. So we can see the number nearby the element. So the mass number is will be given. So mass number is carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1, oxygen is 16. So 12 carbon atom. Okay. So 12 into 12. 12 is the mass number. Plus hydrogen atom is 22. So 22 into 1. 1 is the mass number. Plus 11. Number of oxygen atom is 11. So 11 into 16. So if we add all these, we get 342 AMU. Next, finding percentage composition. How to find out the percentage composition? First, let us find the percentage composition of hydrogen in water. So, percentage composition of hydrogen in water. So, water formula is H2O. Is it? So, this water, we are going to find the percentage composition of only hydrogen. For this, first we have to find out the relative molecular mass. So 2 number of hydrogen. So 2 into 1. 1 is mass number. Plus 1 oxygen atom. So 1 into 16. 16 mass number. So if we add 2 plus 16, we get 18. So we have find out the relative molecular mass. Next we have to find out the percentage composition of hydrogen. Only hydrogen in water. So the molecular formula is H2O. So here we have to see only the hydrogen. So hydrogen's mass number, hydrogen's weight we have to write in the numerator. So how many number of hydrogen atom? 2. So 2 into 1 divided by 18. So this 18 is nothing but the relative molecular mass of water. So the top, what they have asked, the percentage composition, we have to write in the numerator, and the relative molecular mass we have to write in the denominator. Once again I am repeating. Here we are finding the percentage composition of hydrogen. So hydrogen's weight, that is 2 into 1. According to the formula we have to write. So 2 into 1 we have to write in the numerator divided by relative molecular mass in the denominator. So 2 into 1 by 18 into 100. So 11.1 percentage. Next we are going to find the percentage composition of nitrogen in urea. Nitrogen in urea. So urea formula is NH2CONH2. So here we are going to find out only the percentage of nitrogen. So here how many number of nitrogen is there? NH2CO NH2. There are 2 nitrogen atoms. So that 2 nitrogen atoms percentage composition only we are going to find out. Okay. So for this first step, you need to find out the relative molecular mass. Okay. So relative molecular mass means, nitrogen, there are 2 number of nitrogen. So 2 into 14 plus there are 4 hydrogen atom. 4 into 1. 1 is the mass number. Plus there are carbon 1. Only 1 carbon. So 1 into its molecular mass, that is 12, plus the oxygen is only 1. So 1 into 16. So if we add all these, we get 60 AMU. So this is the molecular mass, relative molecular mass of urea. Now we are going to find only the percentage composition of nitrogen. So here you see how many number of nitrogen? There is 2 number of nitrogen. So 2 into 14. This one should write in the numerator. So divided by relative molecular mass of urea. Now only we have find out 60. So 60 into 100. So we get 46.67 percentage of nitrogen. Okay. So numerator we have to write the weight of the atoms of nitrogen, or what they ask in the question, divided by its total relative molecular mass. Next, multiply with 100. Next, find the percentage composition of various elements in sodium carbonate. So here they didn't ask the particular element, they ask various element. So various element means we have to find out all the element one by one. Sodium carbonate formula is Na2CO3. So first we have to find out sodium percentage composition, next carbon percentage composition, next oxygen percentage composition, because they ask various element. So before that, what we need to find out? Relative molecular mass. So there are 2 sodium atoms. So 2 into 23 plus 1 into 12 plus 3 into 16. So we get 106 AMU. First, we have to find out the percentage composition of sodium in sodium carbonate. Understand? So, sodium carbonate, according to the formula, there are 2 sodium. So, 2 into its mass number 23. That one should write in the numerator. Divided by relative molecular mass of sodium carbonate. So, relative molecular mass of sodium carbonate is 106 into 100. So, we get 43.4 gram of sodium. So, numerator we have to write the number of sodium. So, 2 into 23 divided by relative molecular mass into 100. Why we are multiplying with 100? Because it's a percentage composition. Next element is carbon. So, we have to focus only on carbon. How many number of carbon? Only 1 carbon. So, nearby no number is there. So, only 1 carbon. So, 1 into its mass number is 12. That one should be right in the numerator. Divided by relative molecular mass of sodium carbonate, 106 into 100. So, we get the answer 11.3 gram of carbon. So, we have did sodium first, next carbon. So, next which element? The next element is oxygen. Na2CO3. Here, how many number of oxygen is there? 3 oxygen. So, 3 into 16. 16 is the mass number. That will be right in the numerator. Divided by relative molecular mass of sodium carbonate, 106 into 100. So, we get the answer 45.3% of oxygen. So, here the question is various element. We have to find out the percentage composition of various elements. So, first we have find out sodium, next carbon and next oxygen. Okay. So, next let us find the percentage composition of water in hydrated sodium carbonate crystals. Sodium carbonate means sodium Na2CO3. Hydrated means it has some water molecules. So, that type of salt is called hydrated salt. So, hydrated sodium carbonate crystals formula is Na2CO3.10H2O. So, here we are going to find only the percentage composition of water. So, here the water is 10H2O. So, this 10H2O's percentage composition we are going to find out. So, what is the mass number of sodium? Sodium 23 carbon 12, oxygen 16 and hydrogen is 1. So first step we have to find out the relative molecular mass of all. So here you may have some confusion how to find out the relative molecular mass. Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. So here you have to find out the relative molecular mass of Na2CO3 separatively. Next 10H2O separatively. So 10 is common for this water. So 10 is common for this hydrogen and 10 is common for this oxygen. So hydrogen, how to find out this relative molecular mass of water? 20 into 1. 20 is number of hydrogen atoms. So 10 we multiply with 2. Okay. So 20 into 1. 1 is the mass number plus oxygen atom is 10. 10 into 1. Okay. So 10 into 16. 16 is the mass number. So if we add this 2, we get 180 gram. So now we can add the relative molecular mass of Na2CO3 and 10H2O. So we get 286 gram of relative molecular mass of hydrated sodium carbonate. So here we are going to find out the percentage composition of only water first. Okay. So we have already find the relative molecular mass of water. So according to the formula, we have to find out the relative molecular mass for 10H2O. Because the formula has 10H2O. So we have to find out the relative molecular mass of 10H2O. So we have already find the relative molecular mass. So 180, that is a molecular mass of water divided by a relative molecular mass of sodium carbonate into 100. So we get 62.9 gram of water. I hope you all understand these problems. If you understand, like this video and subscribe my channel and share to all your friends. Thank you.